We're back today with grabbed and grabbito, good grammar and bad grammar. Today we will be seeing Soma meeting Toki at the playground and many corrections made by Toki to Soma's bad grammar. Let's move closer to the playground. My name is Soma and my father's name is Omar. Did you mean to say your son's name is Omar? Anyway, my name is Toki and my son's name is Oki. My dad's name is Toba. We can see where the grabber, bad grammar, and grabbito is. Let's move on. Yes, Toki, thanks for correcting me. I used to think it was father's name, not son name. My father's name is Omar. Soma, next time, please, can you say I thought and not I used to think? Bad grammar, good grammar. Once more, thank you, Toki, for correcting me. You're welcome. Let's move on. We are still at the playground. How many years are you? Grabbard. Do you mean how old are you? If yes, I am 8 years old. Oops! Yes, Toki. Thanks for correcting me again. I am 9 years old. Ha ha ha! I senior you. I think you meant to say I'm older than you. Okay, okay. Don't worry, Soma. We all make mistakes sometimes. Wow. Today we can see Toki correcting Soma. What a wonderful friend. It's good to have good friends that will help you when you have problems. So, for the next parts of Soma and Toki, good grammar, bad grammar, please subscribe for us to enjoy more stories. Remember, grabbed is bad grammar and grabbito is what? Good grammar. Please subscribe.